You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 28th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather nice and calm for the rest of this week and a very warm Easter weekend ahead. And could we see strong, maybe severe storms for parts of the state by early next week? We'll talk about everything as we go. This is the upper air look this morning. The axis of the upper trough over the eastern U.S. beginning to move a little east of the state. And that means we'll be in a dry air mass for a while. Here's the radar composite early this morning at the insane hour of 5 o'clock, and you can see rain on the South Atlantic coast from Jacksonville up to Savannah and Charleston. We are dry and we are cool. Got mostly 40s for the northern half of the state. 41 up at Winfield, 42 at Fayette, 43 for Cullman, 50s for South Alabama, Mobile 52, Dothan at 53 degrees. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet. We have flash flood watches for parts of eastern North Carolina up into southeast Virginia. We note a freeze warning for parts of West Tennessee for tonight and a few scattered winter weather advisories for the mountains out west. So no chance of any severe storms today. That's the outlook today and tonight. Tomorrow, Friday, no severe storms expected. And day 3, which is Saturday, again, no chance of any severe storms. However, we do note we now have a day 5 outlook issued for severe storms from SPC from around Dallas-Fort Worth up to St. Louis and to parts of Illinois and Indiana. And then on day 6, which is Tuesday, we have a severe weather threat defined for parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, up into South Ohio near Cincinnati. And that severe outlook does include parts of North Alabama, areas north of Birmingham. Now, this outlook runs through early Wednesday morning. And we'll have a system coming in here. It looks like it will be Tuesday night. And there certainly could be some strong storms. We'll take a look at the specifics and modeling here in just a second. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. For most of the state, rain amounts under 1 inch. And again, no rain through Monday. That next chance of rain will be late Tuesday, Tuesday night, maybe early Wednesday. So let's go through the dailies. Model fans, this is the GFS. This is the 06Z run at 4 o'clock today. And again, the trough axis is east of Alabama. So we have a north flow aloft and again, a dry air mass, a sunny day today. Fairly cool, highs in the 60s for most of the state, which is below average. Tomorrow, early in the day, we'll probably see some 30s for the colder valleys and protected areas. And there might be a touch of light frost. For most spots, lows around 40. A big warm-up with a dry air mass, highs in the 70s with a sunny sky. Really nice day. Saturday could not be better. A sunny day. We start the day around 50, the high mid to upper 70s. And Easter Sunday, warm and dry. Lots of sunshine, highs around 80, maybe low 80s in South Alabama. Monday, the weather stays warm and dry. Most everybody will be in the low to mid 80s. It could be our warmest day so far this year. We note that surface low that's over Kansas, under 1,000 millibars. That'll bring snow to parts of Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota, and south and east of that, there could be a few strong storms. Let's go to Tuesday. The surface low is north of Indianapolis, and again, under 1,000 millibars with a trailing front down through Memphis. And we do note the air will be unstable on Tuesday. And again, the high Tuesday will be near 80 in most spots. And with dew points coming up, the instability values come up, and that surface front will likely be coming in here Tuesday night. Now, the main dynamic forcing will be north of Alabama, most likely. But again, it's that time of the year. We're in early April here, and of course, that certainly could mean some strong storms. And again, the guys at SPC have put a severe weather risk up for about the northern third of the state for late Tuesday and Tuesday night. Really too early to be specific. Just simply something to watch for now. And then by Wednesday, everything is on by, and we're noticeably cooler. The surface low is east of Detroit. Looks like a snowy spring day for Michigan, parts of Indiana, Ohio. Around here, breezy, cool with highs back in the 60s on Wednesday, but dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week. And again, the trough on by, and we are dry with a chilly morning, lows around 40. The high should be upper 60s and low 70s. All right, let's take a look at the rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean, a little over 2 inches, but we note a big spread in the ensemble members here. Some of the members are over 10 inches, which is probably far from the truth. Again, that's why you look for the mean of the ensemble members. And again, the mean is a little over 2 inches between now and the 12th of April. Check the numbers coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. 66 today. Again, notice 41 tomorrow morning. This is for Birmingham. The colder spots could be in the 30s. Then we bounce up to 80 on Sunday, 82 Monday, and then 80 on Wednesday, 80 on Tuesday. Then we cool down to 66 on Wednesday of next week after the front passes. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the house. This is for April 4th through April 10th. Temperatures near, maybe slightly above average. So these were spotted in the sky yesterday. Catch a wave. That's cool. I love these things. Kevin Helmholtz instability wave clouds. And these were spotted around Auburn and Opelika on the eastern side of the state. And for these things to form, you typically need a change of wind velocities with altitude and a change of air density with altitude. And if everything lines up just right, you'll see these. They're not that common, but not that unusual as well. But that was just outstanding. And again, those were taken in mainly over parts of Lee and Russell and Chambers counties yesterday. Oh, man, how about that sunset last night? Dauphin Island. Woo, boy. That is just absolutely delightful. For many people in Alabama, it's spring break week. So a lot of folks are on the Gulf Coast enjoying scenes like that. There's that big ball of fire taken from Panama City Beach last night. And if you're beach bound, everything looks great right on through the Easter weekend. They could see a little rain down there again late Tuesday or maybe Wednesday morning of next week. But for the Gulf Coast, it looks like probably not that much rain. So headed to Moulton today, Moulton Elementary School. Then at midday, I've got a talk at the Church of the Advent, Episcopal Church in downtown Birmingham for their Lenten series. Tomorrow, going to be down in Perry County in Marion, Breakthrough Charter School. And then Saturday, we got a book signing back to Moulton, Lawrence County, a couple of times this week. It's going to be at the Local Grind Coffee Shop on Lawrence Street. We'll be there from 9:30 until 12:30. And if you've never been to one of these, they're good. We have a great time. We've got a great Benny and Chipper's series for kids. The books, All You Can Do Is Pray, The Wonder of Thunder. The Wonder of Thunder and Prepared Not Scared. The adult books are All You Can Do Is Pray. That's our book about April 27, 2011, the generational tornado outbreak, Weathering Life, and then all the shirts and hats and cool stuff from Crest Publishers. So again, that's Moulton on Saturday at the Local Grind Coffee Shop. And hey, we invite you to watch us on the TV side this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.